I'm Jess, and today we're going to make a zine. And a zine is a self-made publication, kind of like a magazine, and you can decorate it however you want. So we start by taking an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper and just fold it in half. And then fold it in half again. And then fold it in half one more time. And then we just open it up to the center, to the half page. And then we just cut on the fold where it is folded. Cut about to half of the page. And after you've cut the slit in the paper, you can turn it into a full page again. And then just fold it over. And then it should fold into an 8-page booklet, just like this. And you've made the booklet for the zine. It should have 8 pages. And after you've made the little booklet, then you can start decorating it any way that you choose. I have some markers here, so I also made a zine with cutouts from a magazine and rubber stamps. But your imagination, please use your imagination, and anything you can think of works great. Thanks for joining me today, and feel free to share your zines with the library.